Your next smartphone may not be a phone at all. It could be a pair of glasses showing directions, translations, messages, and AI answers directly in front of your eyes. Today, we're counting down 15 smart glasses, from practical models you can use right now to futuristic devices that could eventually replace your phone screen completely. Keep watching until the end, because the top 5 come from some of the biggest names in technology, and our number 1 pick could reveal what the future of Android phones will look like when the screen moves directly in front of your eyes. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets. Let's begin. Number 15. Memomind Smart Glasses. Most smart glasses force you to accept one fixed setup. This pair does the opposite. It lets you choose the version that fits your life, whether you want a display, audio, or both working together. A commuter could check simple information without pulling out a phone. A traveler could use hands-free audio while keeping both hands free. And someone who wants a lighter experience could skip features they do not need. You can see the difference in use. Information appears in front of your eyes, while calls, prompts, or audio stay close without blocking the world around you. It is not trying to replace your phone overnight. It is trying to make smart glasses feel personal first. And the next pair pushes that idea further with translation and voice assistance. Number 14. Get DAI Glasses. What if your glasses could help you understand a foreign language before you even reach for your phone? This pair moves beyond basic recording by adding translation and voice assistance. Picture yourself walking through a busy city. Someone speaks to you, the glasses process the conversation, and you receive helpful guidance without stopping to type. You can also ask quick questions, set reminders, or check simple information while keeping your hands free. It still relies on a phone for many functions, so it is not a true replacement yet. But compared with number 15, it feels more practical and intelligent. Next, a familiar name brings hands-free assistance into everyday life. Number 13. Alexa Smart Glasses, Echo Frames. The last pair help with travel. This one is built for everyday convenience. Using only your voice, you can play music, make calls, set reminders, check your schedule, or control compatible smart home devices without reaching for your phone. Imagine cooking while changing songs, walking while hearing directions, or answering a call with both hands full. The open-ear speakers keep audio close while still letting you hear what is happening around you. But there is one major limitation: no display. Everything is handled through sound, so messages and visual information still stay on your phone. It reduces screen time, but does not replace the screen. The next pair keeps the audio experience and adds a smarter modular design. Number 12. Solo's AirGo Vision. Echo Frames keeps things simple, but this pair feels far more adaptable. Its modular design lets you swap different front frames while keeping the smart components, so you can change the look without replacing the entire device. The built-in camera and AI support can help recognize objects, answer questions, capture photos, or describe what is happening around you. Imagine looking at a landmark, asking about it, and hearing an explanation without opening a search app. You can also take calls or listen to audio through the open-ear speakers while staying aware of your surroundings. There is still no true visual display, so your phone remains important. But the smarter camera and modular design make this feel like a real upgrade. Next, the screen finally appears. Number 11. RayNeo Air 2S. The last pair made AI feel more useful. This one finally gives your eyes something much bigger to look at. Instead of showing tiny notifications, it creates a large virtual screen for movies, games, and mobile content. Connect it to a compatible device, put the glasses on, and a private display appears in front of you. You can lean back on a flight, watch a movie in bed, or play games without carrying a television or monitor. The image stays directly in your view while the open design still lets you notice the room around you. But this is mainly a wearable display, not an independent computer. Your phone or another device still provides the content. Next, AI and contextual information begin moving directly into the frame. Number 10. Brilliant Labs Frame. The last pair turned your phone into a giant private screen. This one feels more like a tiny AI computer sitting directly in front of your eyes. Its lightweight design includes a display that can show contextual information while the camera helps the AI understand what you are looking at. Imagine seeing a sign, object, or menu, then asking a question and receiving useful guidance without opening an app. Information appears inside your view while you continue looking at the real world. The experience still feels experimental, and it is not designed to replace every phone task. But its open AI approach makes it one of the most futuristic glasses so far. Next, entertainment returns with an even larger virtual screen. Number 9. Rokid Max. The last pair brought AI directly into your view. This one focuses on turning almost any space into a private entertainment zone. Connect it to a compatible phone, laptop, or game system, and a massive virtual screen appears right in front of you. Imagine watching a movie on a flight, playing games in bed, or working with a large display without carrying a monitor. The screen follows your view, while the glasses remain compact enough to fit inside a small case. It feels more immersive than number 10, especially for movies and gaming. But it still depends on another device for content, so your phone remains part of the experience. The next pair moves closer to true phone replacement with a transparent display built for productivity. Number 8. Monako AI Smart Glasses. Rokid Max gives you a huge virtual screen, but this pair is built for something more practical. Its transparent waveguide display places useful information inside your natural view instead of blocking the world with a floating cinema screen. Imagine walking while checking directions, reviewing reminders during a meeting, or reading short messages without constantly reaching for your phone. The information stays visible, yet you can still see the people, streets, and objects around you. That makes these glasses feel closer to an everyday productivity tool than a portable entertainment device. They may not replace every app or phone function, but they reduce the need to look down at a screen. And the next pair takes mobile AR into a much more premium direction. Number 7. Meizu Star 5. Monako focused on quick information and productivity. This pair pushes the experience toward a more complete mobile display. Instead of showing only simple prompts, it is designed to place richer digital content directly in front of your eyes. Imagine following navigation while walking, reading messages without lowering your head, or opening visual tools while your phone stays in your pocket. The transparent display keeps digital information visible while allowing you to remain aware of the real world. That makes it feel closer to premium AR than a basic notification device. It still may not replace every app, camera, or touchscreen interaction, but it brings the phone replacement idea much closer. And the next glasses combine AI with dual displays for an even more independent experience. Number 6. Alibaba Quark S1. Meizu Star 5 brought richer digital content into your view. This pair goes further by combining AI with dual displays, making it feel less like an accessory and more like a wearable computer. Imagine receiving directions, translations, reminders, and AI responses without constantly returning to your phone. Information appears in front of both eyes while you continue walking, working, or speaking naturally. The glasses can support everyday tasks while keeping your hands free and your attention on the real world. It still may depend on a connected device and an evolving software ecosystem, so complete independence is not here yet. But this is one of the closest designs so far. And next, Apple enters the race with a project that could change the entire market. Number 5. Apple Smart Glasses. Quark S1 feels like a wearable computer, but Apple could bring this idea to a much larger audience. These glasses are still a future project, not a commercial product you can buy today, so expectations need to stay realistic. The real advantage would be ecosystem integration. Imagine receiving messages, navigation, calls, and AI assistance through glasses that connect smoothly with your iPhone, watch, earbuds, and other Apple devices. You look ahead and directions appear. A notification arrives without forcing you to pull out your phone. Everything feels familiar because it works through the devices you already use. The concept is powerful, but it remains unproven. That is why it ranks 5th. The next pair already exists, and millions of people are using it right now. Number 4. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Apple's concept could be powerful someday, but this pair is already proving that smart glasses can fit into everyday life. They look close to normal sunglasses, yet let you capture photos, record video, take calls, play audio, and ask AI questions without reaching for your phone. Imagine walking through a new city. You ask what you are looking at, record the moment hands-free, then send a message while continuing to move. The camera sees your surroundings, and the built-in assistant helps respond in real time. There is still no visual display, so they cannot fully replace your phone screen. But for reducing phone dependence, they are one of the most practical options available. The next pair finally combines AR with a full software ecosystem. Number 3. XREAL Aura. Ray-Ban Meta reduces how often you touch your phone, but this concept aims to move the phone experience directly into your field of view. Built around Android XR, it could combine spatial apps, AI assistance, navigation, entertainment, and productivity inside one wearable interface. Imagine opening multiple virtual screens while working, following directions without looking down, or asking AI about something directly in front of you. Digital windows appear around your environment while the real world remains visible. That deeper software ecosystem makes it feel far closer to true phone replacement than the glasses below it. However, the experience will depend heavily on software support, comfort, and connected hardware. Number 2 could become even more powerful by connecting this idea to millions of Galaxy devices. Number 2. Samsung Smart Glasses. XREAL Aura brings Android XR into your field of view, but Samsung could make that experience feel instantly familiar to millions of Galaxy users. These glasses are still a future product rather than something widely available today, yet their biggest advantage could be deep ecosystem integration. Imagine checking messages, following navigation, controlling music, or asking AI for help while your phone stays in your pocket. You look ahead, information appears naturally, and your Galaxy devices continue working together in the background. That connection could make the glasses feel less like an accessory and more like an extension of your phone. But Samsung may not lead this race alone. Number 1 combines Android XR, Gemini, and Google's software power into the most ambitious phone replacement vision yet. Number 1. Google Android XR Glasses. Samsung could make smart glasses feel like an extension of your phone. But Google wants to move the entire Android experience directly in front of your eyes. Powered by Android XR and Gemini, these glasses could recognize what you see, translate conversations, show navigation, answer questions, and deliver useful information without forcing you to touch a screen. Imagine walking through a foreign city. Directions appear naturally. A sign is translated instantly. You ask about a building, and AI explains it while you keep moving. These glasses are still a developing vision rather than a finished mass-market product. But if Google gets the software, comfort, and ecosystem right, your next Android device may not sit in your pocket. It may rest on your face. Smart glasses are no longer just futuristic concepts. Some already reduce how often you reach for your phone, while others are preparing to move navigation, messages, entertainment, and AI directly into your field of view. Which pair would you actually wear every day, and do you think glasses could truly replace smartphones? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe to Quincy Gadgets for more future tech you need to see. All product links are in the description and pinned comment below. Check them before the next generation arrives.
We're a small team finding the best gadgets for you every week. Hit subscribe, and thanks for being here. See you next time.